Good morning, Ms. Nisha Thakur. Welcome to the Thoughts on Education campaign of College Dunia.
Thank you, sir, for welcoming me. Myself, Nisha Thakur. I am the coordinator of Computer Application Department from ICFA University, Raipur.
So, coming on to the first question. Being the faculty of this college, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
In my opinion, my foremost duty is to impart quality education to the students. Apart from this, we are having so many responsibilities like to develop research aptitude for the student, to do the mentoring and counseling of the students at a regular interval of time. And for placement activities, we are also indulge students to actively take participation in the placement activity for various companies, etc.
Okay, ma'am. So, moving on to the next question. Ma'am, how do you tend to establish healthy relations with students and your fellow faculty?
First of all, I feel that students should be comfortable with the teacher who is teaching in the classroom. Student feels that the teacher who is teaching in the classroom have concern for them and they are comfortable with the teachers. And for fellow members, we have to respect each of the fellow members who are doing work with us, so to create a healthy environment in the university.
Okay, ma'am. So, how do you try to bring in practical approach towards subjects and make it industry oriented?
Actually, we are offering so much certification courses, advanced certification courses we are offering to our students like machine learning, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and so on, which are in trends right now.
Okay, great, ma'am. So, moving on to the other question. Ma'am, what are the best practices offered by your department to the students which help them gain skills?
Actually, overall development, we focus on the overall development of the student in skill point of view. Like we are offering some soft skills courses, personality development courses. Apart from curriculum, we offer soft skills and personality development. And in curriculum, we give students advanced as well as basic construct, so that it will build the technical knowledge as well as some necessary skills which help them to boost up for grasp the opportunity which market is giving them.
So next question, ma'am, how do you strategize the curriculum and how often it gets updated to make it benefiting for the students?
Actually, in our department, we are having board of studies for computer application, and board of studies having meeting at least once in a year. And we are having some external members also from industry who are the members of board of studies. So we are in a regular touch with the industry to update our curriculum activity in that meetings.
Okay, ma'am. So moving on to the next question. How do you help your students to cope up with the competition being so high in the outside world?
So as I have told right now that we are not only imparting curriculum activity, but apart from this we are also providing the personality development and soft skills. Apart from this also we are encouraging our students to develop their research aptitude. So these all things will build up their overall personality.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, do you have any extracurricular activities, programs to enhance the skills of students, or to expose them to the real world challenges?
Yes. We are having actually in the university a regular webinar was being conducted by various renowned personalities from different areas. So, webinars and like cultural activities are going to also take place, singing, playing instrument. These all we are providing to the student in the university.
So, ma'am, when you came to this college, what was your vision then? And how are you trying to achieve the same?
When I came to the university, my vision is clear to impart quality education to the students. Apart from this, to develop the computer application, to enhance the computer application department, so that every student want to take admission in ICFA University in computer application department.
Okay. So, ma'am, how does the curriculum of your department ensure the best practice of the industry?
As the board of studies meeting was taken in a year, and in that meetings we just update our syllabus according to the market reviews. We do the market survey, and after that we update our syllabus according to the market requirement by board of studies.
Okay, ma'am. So, how does the college enhance the skills of the faculty? and prepare them according to the industry standards.
ICFA University always promote their faculty members to go for a faculty development program and to take part in international and national conferences, symposium, etc., so that they can uplift their standards.
Okay, ma'am. So, moving on to the next question. Ma'am, what are the interventions and approaches you bring in apart from the curriculum to train or teach the students?
We provide latest softwares, we provide simulation kits, updated simulation kits to the students, we provide the smart class teaching to the students apart from all these curriculum activities.
Okay. So, ma'am, how do you see the college's greatest strengths and how can it be enhanced?
ICFA's greatest strength is, I think, its ethics and the quality education which ICFA is providing to the student. ICFA is a brand which is famous for their brand, for their ethics and quality education.
So, ma'am, moving on to the last question. What valuable advice would you like or give to the students to have a prosperous career ahead?
Okay, in my point of view, student should be first student have to set up their goal, and after setting up their goal, they have to be focused to achieve that goal. For achieving that goal, the student should have to be loyal, honest, means honest. They have to be punctual, and if they are punctual and if they are honest, definitely they will achieve their goal.